It smells like a flowery coconut milk. Coconut oil is the A-list ingredient when it comes to hair care formulations. This is because it was found to actually penetrate the hair strand instead of just providing superficial benefits. Why do I use Sucragel to make this hair conditioner? Because it fulfills two needs with one deed. One, it serves as an emulsifier, combining the oil and water together. And two, since Sucragel contains glycerin, which is a humectant, it is hydrating to the hair. If you want to know more about Sucragel, such as how it is made and what are the pros and cons with it, check out this other video that I made explaining all of this. Now let's make this leave-in conditioner. The process of making this conditioner is very similar to our first lotion formula, requiring no heat in the process. We will need Geranium Hydrosol, coconut oil, cationic Guar Gum, Sucragel, perfume oil, preservative, 3 beakers, some stirring utensils, and of course a scale that can measure from 0.01. Measure out the water phase, add the Guar Gum to it, and set it aside for now. Once you measured the Sucragel and coconut oil, add small scoops of coconut oil to the Sucragel and, you guessed it, mix like your life depended on it. Then add the next small scoop and continue to do so until about half of the coconut oil is married to the Sucragel. Then add the rest and you should have this texture, a white, sticky, heavenly smelling coconut gel. This gives me inspiration for a new cleanser. Next, slowly incorporate the water into the mix and you should have a light fluid. This leave-in conditioner can be used on damp hair, as a moisture boost, or as a pre-wash treatment. I do hope you give this one a try. This concludes our Sucragel series. I would be really curious to know which ones you like the most and would want to try. Let me know in a comment down below. Bye for now and take care.